20 Famous Saying Quotes Film No Country for Old Men 2007 Part 2. No Country for Old Men is a 2007 American neo-western crime thriller film written, directed, produced and edited by Joel and Ethan Coen, based on Cormac McCarthy's 2005 novel of the same name. Starring Tommy Lee Jones, Javier Bardem, and Josh Brolin, the film is set in the desert landscape of 1980 West Texas. The film revisits the themes of fate, conscience, and circumstance that the Coen brothers had explored in the films Blood Simple, 1984, Raising Arizona, 1987, and Fargo, 1996. The film follows three main characters: Llewellyn Moss, Brolin, a Vietnam War veteran and welder who stumbles upon a large sum of money in the desert; Anton Chigurh, Bardem, a hitman who is sent to recover the money; and Ed Tom Bell, Jones, a sheriff investigating the crime. Anton Chigurh: I got here the same way the coin did. Llewellyn Moss: you can't stop what's coming. Carla Jean Moss: you don't have to do this. Anton Chigurh: the best I can do is try to make you understand what you don't understand. Sheriff Ed Tom Bell: you can't help but compare yourself against the old-timers. Can't help but wonder how they would have operated these times. Anton Chigurh: what's done cannot be undone. Sheriff Ed Tom Bell: the point being, even in the contest between man and steer, the issue is not certain. Anton Chigurh: it's not about knowing. It's about living. Llewellyn Moss: I'm looking for what's coming. Sheriff Ed Tom Bell: I feel overmatched. You keep running that mouth, I'm going to take you back there and screw you. I always thought when I got older that God would sort of come into my life in some way. Why would you say anything? I've thought about it a good deal. But he wasn't nothing compared to what was coming down the pike. The papers said it was a crime of passion, and he told me there wasn't no passion to it. Sometimes you got to ask yourself, how did I get here? You think everything must always work out for the best. But in life, sometimes the truth doesn't have a prayer. You never know when you might have to shoot somebody. Those things'll kill you. Little by little, they'll kill you. How does a man decide in what order to abandon his life? If the rule you followed brought you to this, of what use was the rule? These quotes encapsulate the film's themes of fate, morality, and the inevitable march of time. Would you like to explore any of these quotes in more depth or discuss their significance in the film?